In this video, we're going to show you how to install the transmission speed sensor on your Nissan Murano, located on the side of the transmission. With the hood open, I'm going to go ahead and locate the battery on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Go ahead and clean this up here. We're going to use a little bit of spray solvent. Always wear safety glasses when doing something like this. We're going to use our 10mm socket. You can use a ratchet or a wrench. We're going to use a little power tool here to loosen this. Okay, wiggle this here and slide off the terminal and set it aside. Now the transmission speed sensor is right here above the driver's side CV axle where it goes into the transmission. 10mm bolt holding in place, and there is an electrical connector on the top here. You want to press in on the top of this tab here and pull this off if you can. There it is. Pop that off. Now we're going to use our 10mm socket, a short extension, and our ratchet to loosen that 10mm bolt on there. And put my socket and extension up in there, just using this to spin that bolt out. Now don't lose that bolt. We're going to be reusing that. Get to remove it. Now go ahead and grab that sensor and we're going to twist it. I'm going to twist it and then going to pull out. There is a rubber O-ring holding that in place. We may lose a little bit of transmission fluid, so make sure you have a catch can ready to go underneath the vehicle. Now make sure you're wearing safety glasses when doing something like this here. You don't want to get any splashback from transmission fluid. So I'm going to go ahead and use a small pocket screwdriver on the back side here to go ahead and work that out. All right, pop that out. You can use a little dab of CVT transmission oil on the O-ring and go ahead and line this up and push it on. And I grab my bolt, get that started. I'm going to run that down as far as I can by hand. And we'll go ahead and snug that down gently. It's bottomed out. Just snug it just a little more. I'm going to go ahead and grab the electrical connector and pop that on. You're going to feel it and hear it lock in a position. Give it a quick wipe down. Go ahead and grab that negative terminal. Twist that on there as far as it'll go. And let's go ahead and snug that down. You can feel it snug down a little bit. And we'll go just a little bit more. Give that a wiggle. You can see that that is still loose here, so we're going to continue to tighten that down a little bit. Give that a wiggle. All right, we're solid now. If you have a check engine light on due to the sensor acting up, go ahead and clear that code, and then go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.